far we have discussed about Rudraksh from 1 Mukhi to 10 Mukhi Rudraksh. Today we will be talking about 11 Mukhi Rudraksh, which represents Lord Hanuman, Panchamukha Hanuman. I am Wing Commander Santosh Sharma, your friend and guide. Relating to that, I keep making videos. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe for scientific validation, scientific explanation based on logic and knowledge. So welcome to our channel. 11 Mukhi Rudraksh, as I told you, represents Panchamukha Hanuman. Hanuman is the epitome of energy, strength, valor, bravery, determination, loyalty. Panchamukha Hanuman also, some people think it is avatar of Lord Shiva. Panchamukha means there are 5 faces. We talk about the 4 aspects of life. Dharma, we start with Kama, Artha, Dharma and Moksha. So Kama, Artha, Dharma, Moksha, 4 facets of life. And the 5th facet is the unknown. The Parabrahma, which we cannot know. Like we cannot know who created us. For example, a laptop will never know who created it. Laptop may function. Through laptop we can do so many things. But laptop by itself can never know who created it. Similarly, we cannot know who created us. This is the 5th dimension we talk about. 4 dimensions, 4 Mukha Brahma, 4 directions, etc. etc. So this Panchamukha Hanuman is basically protects you from accidents. Accidental things can happen anytime to anybody. Do you know that in World War I and II, the kind of people, if you put together in totality, they died. More than that, people die on the road accidents. Secondly, it saves you from diseases. Disease can just strike you at any time. I have a friend who was very regular in gets up in the morning, have 1 liter of water, goes for a 5 kilometers of walk. He does not eat junk food, proper exercise, pranayama, etc. etc. Nobody can understand. Last 1 month back, he had his ECG done and everything was fine. And suddenly, last week, he had a heart attack. And out of 4 valves, 3 valves were choked. It could happen to anyone. Punit Rajkumar, the hero of South, he just died. The heart attack. Anything can happen anytime. 11 Mukhi Rudraksh can save you from this kind of accidental deaths and this kind of disease. Third thing is that it can save you from sudden loss of wealth. Sometimes you invest somewhere, court cases comes, you get cheated, you take wrong decisions, and whatever money you put in the share market just vanishes. So losing money, losing wealth can be very disastrous and can have very high impact on our body and mind. We can get disturbed, we can have psychosomatic issues, and we can have diseases, etc. Thirdly, it helps you from sudden loss of wealth. It also protects you from all the negative energies around you. People sending you bad wishes, like I talked about on 10 Mukhi Rudraksh, bad wishes, doing Tantra Kriya against you. They try to pull you down. It happens in politicians, they do puja against each other, homa against each other. Big industrialists, big actors in the Bollywood, etc. also do is black magic and kind of things. If somebody is doing something like that, 11 Mukhi Rudraksh can protect you. These are the 4 things. Chaturmukha, 4 faces. And the 5th one, the unknown dimension we talk about, the Bhagya, the spiritual journey, the spiritual dimension which cannot be comprehended by us, which is beyond logic. That aspect of life which controls it and we don't understand why it's happening to you. You are working very hard, you are intelligent, but success eludes you. You don't understand why. Why is that people with a less competency and less capable than you, they go ahead in front of you. They surpass you and go ahead. And you keep wondering, what the hell is happening in my life? So this is called the Bhagya, the Kismat, the luck. That 5th dimension which you don't understand which you can't comprehend. That aspect is also taken care of by 11 Mukhi Rudraksh. 11 Mukhi Rudraksh I personally give for the Kalasarpa dosha along with the 8 and 9. For the Rahu Ketu, 8 Mukhi, 9 Mukhi, I add 11 Mukhi Rudraksh because this is the protective gear which I think that one should have for the Kalasarpa dosha. In the next video, we will be talking about 12 Mukhi Rudraksh representing Surya, the sun, the powerful one. If you have any question relating to the Rudraksh, gemstone astrology, please put in the comment section. I will try to make a video and answer your question. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and wait for the next video, 12 Mukhi Rudraksh for sun. Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.